How does this sound? A mask that you leave on overnight that's nourishing, comforting and repairing. And it's perfect if you have dry skin. The Melting Moisture Mask is activated by the warmth of your skin, and when applied, it transforms from a balm to an oil consistency and it melts into your skin. It's for dry, dull skin, and this will help you achieve a smooth, healthier looking skin. Dry skin lacks the oils that form part of your protective barrier, and it's then at risk of damage. The Melting Moisture Mask helps to restore your skin and protects against the environmental factors that damage it, leaving it healthy and restored. There is a combination of beautiful ingredients within the Melting Moisture Mask that give it not only that luxurious and comforting feel, it will support and protect your dry skin needs. Melting Moisture Complex helps restore your lipids in the skin's barrier and locks in moisture. In addition to this, essential fatty acids, vitamin E and olive oil ester will help bring smoothness and protection to your skin. Shea butter, mimosa, sunflower and jojoba have conditioning, revitalizing and soothing properties that help to strengthen your skin's lipid barrier, to improve moisture retention and help protect against the environmental aggressors. To use the Melting Moisture Mask, cleanse and exfoliate your skin as normal, and then apply a small amount to your face and neck area. Massage this into your skin and leave it on overnight. You can use this once or twice a week, or as you feel you need. If you need any further information about the Melting Moisture Mask or guidance around your skin and the Dermalogica products, please visit our website and click on Advice.